Let's see, graph and fully describe the function y equals 3 to the x power. Well, I am going to probably use a graphing tool, but I want to write down a few values that I know. So I know way down here I'll put when x is 0, I'll know something. And then over here I'm going to put y, which is 3 to the x power. So when x is 0, this is just going to give me the number 1. 3 to the 0 power is 1. If x is 1, I've got 3. If x is 2, I have 9. If x is 3, 3 times 3 times 3, I've got the number 27. When x is 4, this is going to be the number 81. Now going the other direction, right? I'm multiplying by 3 going this way. If I divide by 3, at -1, I would have 1/3. At -2, I would have 1/9. That's correct. 1/9. At -3, I would have 1/27. And if I went another one at -4, I'd have the number 1/81. So it's kind of fun to see these pairs of a number and its reciprocal, a number and its reciprocal, a number and its reciprocal. And that shakes out on the graph pretty nicely by showing me, on one side I'm increasing really quickly, exponentially you could say, and on the other side the function's decreasing. So according to GeoGebra, this is what the graph looks like. And I can see right here, the moment that x is the number 0, right, it produces a 1. 3 to the 0 power is 1. When x is at 1, it's going to hit 3. When x is at 2, it's going to hit 9, which is just right up here above off the graph. And then over here, this is going to be the 1/3 and then the 1/9, and it quickly gets so small that it looks like it's just hitting the line, but it's not. We have a special name for that, right? This is an asymptote. It's getting closer and closer to it, but not touching it. So for me to fully describe this graph, I would say this is a curve. Yeah, it's not a line, it's a curve that is increasing. So I say it's increasing because as I move to positive x's, as x's gets large, y gets larger. So it's increasing. The domain is all real numbers. The range is all the y values bigger than 0. I can't get any negative values for answers here. So the range is all y values greater than 0. It is a continuous curve, and the x-axis does serve as an asymptote, singular, not asymptotes, asymptote singular. Let's move on.